Hello, gentlemen. Are you over 35 years old and feeling like your performance in the bedroom isn't what it used to be? Lack of desire, weak erections, or ones that fade quickly, low confidence and embarrassment in bed, enough frustration? Meet Prime Perform, the natural supplement that is transforming the lives of thousands of men across the world. Maybe you're wondering, what is Prime Perform? A product designed for men who want to restore their sexual power in a fast, effective, and safe way. Its formula is 100% natural, free of side effects, and delivers immediate results. How Prime Perform can transform your life. Fast, firm, and long-lasting erections from the first use. Increased libido and sexual desire, restoring your virility. More energy and stamina inside and outside the bedroom. Restored confidence, feel in control again. Why choose Prime Perform? Fast and effective, visible results from the first uses, 100% natural, free from harsh chemicals or side effects, satisfaction, guarantee, or your money back. Don't waste time. This product is exclusive and has limited stock. To ensure your safety, it is only sold through the official store. Click the link in the description and get yours now. Don't accept imitations. The real Prime Perform is only available on the official website. Take advantage of this opportunity to regain your confidence and masculine power today. Order now before stock runs out. I hope this video has answered all the questions you have about Prime Perform. Just don't forget to visit the official store by clicking on the link below. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.